Today's Read Aloud story is Duck, Duck, Dinosaur and the Noise at Night by Kallie George. Mama Duck's family was growing fast. Flap was getting big, Feather was getting big, and Spike was getting bigger. They were too big to sleep with Mama Duck. It was time for them to sleep all by themselves in their very own nest. They were excited and only a little scared. "We are ready," said Feather. "We can do it." Feather, Flap, and Spike shared a story. They shared a snuggle. Then they fell asleep. Roar! They all woke up at once. "I heard a noise, a scary noise," said Flap. "I heard it too," said Feather. "But what can we do? We can't just hide." "Hide!" Spike hid. So Feather and Flap hid too. They shared a story. They shared a snuggle. They sang a song. Then at last they fell asleep. Roar! They all woke up at once. "I heard that noise, that scary noise," said Flap. "I heard it too," said Feather. "Hiding didn't work. But what else can we do? We can't just run away." "Run away!" Spike ran away. So Feather and Flap ran away too. They ran and ran all the way around the pond. They were too tired to take another step. They shared a story. They shared a snuggle. They sang a song. They counted the stars. Then at last they fell asleep. Roar! They all woke up at once. "I heard that noise, that scary noise," said Flap. "I heard it too," Feather trembled. "Hiding didn't work. Running away didn't work. There's nothing we can do." It was late and they were scared. Feather's knees knocked. Knock, knock, knock. Flap's wings flapped. Flap, flap, flap. And Spike's teeth chattered. Chatter, chatter, chatter. Everyone was being so noisy. "That's it! We can be really noisy," said Feather. "We can scare the scary noise." Feather and Flap made all kinds of noises. Crash, bang, boom! But Spike made only one. Roar! The groar was a snore. It was Spike. Flap laughed. Feather laughed. They would tell Spike in the morning. Feather and Flap didn't share a story or a snuggle or sing a song or count the stars. They didn't need to. They fell straight to sleep. Roar, roar. And they slept in their very own nest all night long. The end.